With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, a bead is connected with the fixed disk of radius r by an inextensible massless string in a smooth horizontal plane. If the bead is pushed with a velocity v0 perpendicular to the string, the bead moves in a curve, consequently collapse to the disk. So if you see here, after some time it will be having this position, right? So if you see, the angle rotated will be d theta. Right, so let's say the angle rotated by it is theta, and if you see here, the velocity will remain the v0 only, right? Tension force is acting perpendicularly, right? So there is no force which could change the magnitude of the velocity, right? Because the only force that is acting on it is that is tension force, and that is always perpendicular to it, right? So if you see here, the length left now will be this, and if you see the arc length, it is this length, it is r theta. So the length left will be L minus r theta. So I will write down the omega at any instant will be equals to by r, small r, where small r will be the length left, where r is the radius of the disk, right? And small r is the length left, right? So we can write down this omega as d theta by dt. So I will write down d theta by dt is equals to this. Now you can cross multiply and then go for integration. Theta, this v dt, v naught dt. So it will be v naught. So if you see here, the theta, you can see the theta will varying from, unless the total length will not be rotated, it will keep on rotating, right? So we will write down the theta, it will be equals to L by r. So limit will be from 0 to L by r. Maximum theta will be this, 0 to t. Now you can integrate it, right? So if you see, it will be L theta and it will be r theta square by 2. Put the limit at 0, its value will be 0, and at L by r, it will be L square by r minus L square by 2r, so it will be L square by 2r into this. So as you got the expression, right, what we wanted, the time. So if you see here, the time will be equals to simply this L square by 2 v naught r. Alright, so if you see the options, so initial angular acceleration, initial angular distance traveled, so all of these distance travel and in angular acceleration we have to check. So time we already got. So if you see, as I already said, the speed will remain the constant, so it will be simply, distance travel will be simply v naught into t, so it will be L square by 2r. Now check for the option L square by 2r, so C is the correct. Now if you see here, if I talk about the alpha, alpha is omega d omega by d theta. So we already have written this omega expression, this, right? So you can just put the value, right? You can just put the value. So if you write down this d omega by d theta into omega, so we'll write down omega is v naught upon L minus r theta, and d omega by d theta will be v naught r by L minus r theta whole square. So it will be equals to v naught square r by L minus r theta whole square. So this will be the expression for alpha. So just put the value of theta equals to 0. At t equals to 0, you'll get the alpha. So if you put the value of theta 0, you'll get this as the alpha. L cube. So this will be the alpha. Now you can check for the option. So you can see V naught square are L cube. So B and C are the correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.